Okay. Genda kumpa. Bana.
Yes. You come here.
Hata chichi.
How can I help you?
Kuchiacha atafanya. Tuze one.
Yes.
Hey,
tuze uwo tugenda wali.
Tugenda wali.
You want a room?
Tuze twagala room.
So but you just come like that, you enter like that, you just
yeah, enter. Normally that. We enter like that.
You don't even greet security.
Okay, Oliotia, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? So what are you going to do? What are you going to do inside?
We are
What are you talking about?
Together.
I must know what you're going to do. These days security is tight.
We are going to
do what? You do when you do this, what do you mean?
We are going to
What are you going to do?
We are going to do exercise. Exercise.
We don't have a gym here. There are only the rooms here. We are only rooms here. Huh?
We are the gym.
We don't want a gym here. We only have rooms. This is in. Yeah. We have rooms. You come in, you go.
And yes, we want a room. That is all.
I mean, I want to know what are you going to do there inside?
Inside what?
Now the rooms.
We want a room. We are going inside the room.
To do what?
We are going to
like to gende.
And for you girl.
Tulekena tugende oba tuyingire.
And do what? You are not telling me. You are just saying, we are going inside for what? To me, we have come here for this and this. I am seeing you with the ring. Are you a married man? Show me this one. I show you with the ring.
Kati bikwatirako. Yes, bikwatirako.
Yes. Now, where is yours? You.
Twajagala.
Twajagala? Are you married?
Siri.
How come you have a ring?
No, nataka just for decoration.
Just for decoration? So what are you going to do now? You are going to do something for married people when you are not married? You're not going inside here. What are you trying to do?
Reception.
Reception?
Yeah.
The reception is not there. It is me. Are you going to sleep over? Are you going to come for 30 minutes? Are you going to come 20 minutes? Are you going back? Are you taking what time? Because even, and I think I know you. I have seen you many times here. I have seen this girl here many times with the different people. I even saw her the last week. I saw you last week here. Either on Tuesday or Wednesday. You. I was here. It was my shift. Me, I work on Wednesday, Thursday here, even Saturday. I remember seeing you last week. If you don't remember me, I remember you. You man.
Rita.
Be careful. Many times, not one time. Not one time. And if you are trying to show me that attitude, I can show you my true self. I can show you my true self. Cut, you go back. If we don't know this place, you go back. I have seen times here. Myself with my naked eyes. This guy. With the men, I don't know. Even this one, I don't know. Do I know your name? What is yours? Tell me your name. Where's your ID?
Rita. Bagambye already ojja. Kati sigala one boleta. Afande oyo mukulekedde.
Okay.
Negura. Ofachi.
How are you?
Ofachi sasa yo manyi wempulira. Omanyi sande zonnemeseza gwe.
You money.
Omanyi
even I have money.
Ate mbadde mbawagira akantu kamwe kanomba nkawa.
For you
ngenda kufuna yakalala. Omanyira, omanyi sande zonfiriza.
You think people with guns don't
have. Abantu baleka ne bagenda nawe. Kati wado tuyimiriza otwagazaaki.
You go. You go.
Well, no, where you
the other time I told you, you refused. You go. You go.
Ategwe.
You refuse, you will
Kati
not
nze ngenda kukola
work.
nti kati
You will
bande
not work from here. Oh, okay. You can bring him.
Tomanyira. Kyasama.